workflow and my approach on working with the new HDR feature of the Magic Lantern firmware. Actually, we will cover a lot of things today. I shot a bit of footage, as you can see here. Basically, it looks like this, that every second frame is exposed differently. This is done by ISO on my 550D or Canon T2i. And we will also cover some different things. We will cover the interpolation of these frames. You will see it in a minute. For this, we will use the actual pixel motion feature of After Effects, which is internal. Then we will use Cronus from the Foundry, which is a fabulous plugin. We'll talk on it later. After that, we will process these images within After Effects, and we will use several different things like the Luma Keyer, and I will explain why the Luma Keyer is garbage for this task. Then we will use Photomatics by HDRsoft for creating real HDR pictures. Then we will take a look at Ginger HDR, which is a new plugin by 19 Lights. It's in the beta phase right now till January 8, so make sure you can test it. And then I will show you some examples of my work, and maybe we talk about why HDR is useful somehow. As in my last tutorial you can see on Vimeo, I will make some time markers in the description so you can skip any chapter you don't want to see or you actually know about. So yeah, let's get started with the first part, which is the general pre-processing of our footage. So yeah, let's get started. So let's just start with pre-processing our footage for the HDR workflow. Basically, the HDR footage is a normal film where any second frame is exposed differently, which leads us that we have to interpolate some frames. And this shot is shot on the street. And I use the monopod for shooting this, and basically I use for all these clips I use the monopod. And yeah, I want to now show you how we can process this. It's the same for any clip, so for any method we need to do this. So simply let's get started. So we take this street and drag it to the new composition icon, button, whatever. Let's duplicate this clip and then zoom in a bit.